Hello my dear friends. Today we will discuss about the fear of the unknown. The fear of the unknown can be hard to describe because all the feelings and thoughts around this fear are in our head. These negative feelings and thoughts create mental blocks. It is these mental blocks that influence the way in which we live our life, and if let loose can have a detrimental impact on us living our lives to the fullest. When we choose to live with our fear of the unknown, the choices and decisions we make do not serve us well. Any decision we make based from this fear will not be a decision that will move us forward in life. My dear friends, living your life to your fullest potential can only be achieved when you have come face to face with your fear of the unknown. But this is not an easy thing to do. It is a bit more complicated than just choosing to ignore your fear of the unknown. To be able to conquer your fear of the unknown, you have to be committed to making the changes within yourself, and that is where it gets tough. There are many layers of emotions that are associated with your fear of the unknown, and overcoming this fear requires you to dig deep to find the courage to actually step into the unknown. This is not what your fear of the unknown likes. All those deep seated limiting beliefs will be resisting and fighting back because your actions will be challenging them and questioning their existence. My dear friends, there is an extreme form of the fear of the unknown which is called xenophobia. Xenophobia is when some people have irrational thoughts and beliefs about people and situations that they perceive to be strange or foreign. Essentially, it is the fear of anything that is beyond their comfort zone. People who are xenophobic tend to have a fear or hatred of foreigners, people from different cultures, or strangers. They also have fear or dislike of people who are culturally different from them. Their behavior can be extreme and violent. Now we will discuss some ways to overcome this fear of the unknown. First way is to understand your fear. Fear is not unique to you. Fear is part of our human DNA, and so it is not unusual for you to fear when you are stepping out into the unknown. Our brain is hardwired to prefer negative consequences to uncertain outcomes. Our brain does not like us stepping out into the unknown or living in the world of change. However, as Wayne Dyer says in his quote, our fear of the unknown is not based on reality. Our fear of the unknown is just a whole pile of self-limiting beliefs based on what we think may happen and not on what is the reality. My dear friends, next way is to find the cause of your fear. Our fear of the unknown is part of our DNA and is an essential part of our survival. There is fear that will protect you and heighten your senses to threatening situations. This is a good fear to listen to. Then there is the fear that paralyzes you and stops you from living life to the fullest. This is the fear that you need to understand why it exists within you. The fear of the unknown is made up of many thoughts and beliefs that result from negative experiences. If you have failed in business or you feel you have failed in life and have low self-belief, then your fear of the unknown will be heightened and wanting to protect you. When you are faced with an opportunity to step out of your comfort zone, spend some time analyzing the cause of your fear of the unknown. Once you have identified the cause of your fear, then brainstorm ways to minimize risk and ways in which you can cope with the hurdles you may have. My dear friends, next way is to question your fears. We all know that our fears are not based on reality. The fear of the unknown is based on our perception of what might happen in the future. The future has not happened, and this is where you take your fears to court and question them. You can ask, what evidence is there that supports my fear of the unknown? Or, what are 3 examples where I have successfully coped with uncertainty? Or, what evidence is there that I will fail and my fear of the unknown will be right? My dear friends, Next is to accept failure as an option. An underlying cause of our fear of the unknown is based on fear of failure. This is especially true when we are about to embark on a new journey that will take us out of our comfort zone. If you cannot accept that the possibility of failure is an option, then your fear of the unknown will convince you to stay put in your comfort zone. Remember, your fear of the unknown prefers that you don't do anything and live with regret than step out and possibly fail. And finally, my dear friends, embrace change. The one thing that is constant in our lives is change. We live in a world of constant and at times disruptive change. The more we resist change, the more it will persist in our lives. Resisting change keeps you in a place of discomfort, and that's where your fear of the unknown likes to be. Your fear will keep you paralyzed in a bad situation, but it is what it knows best and where it can control you. Stepping out and embracing change will open you up to a world of opportunities and growth. Change will become a fact of life that you will embrace and successfully manage. My dear friends, hope you have liked this video. If yes, then you share with other people also. And if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe it. Thank you friends for your love and support.